Okay, so I'm starting with a sidewalking dog. So I'm starting from the top, and then we'll move from there. Okay, introduction you pretty much nail. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3. So let me repeat that one more time, a little bit faster. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 1 and 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now measure 13. Left hand bass F. Right hand E flat G, A flat C. Okay, so we go 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. The next one is inversion. We move E flat from the bottom to the top, so it's gonna go G, A flat, C, E flat. Bass F. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. Actually, no. Let's redo this. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Next measure, left hand C. Right hand will have E flat, G, B flat, D. All right. So here we go together. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. And the next measure, I'm gonna go down to C minor 7. 3, 4. So I'm going to repeat again from the E. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, I'm going to start again back up from measure 13. So this time without stopping. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. Okay, moving on. Next is C, right hand, B flat, D, E flat, G, right? So measure 19, right? Yes, measure 19. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we go back again like beginning, measure 11. 1, 2, oops, sorry, forgot the A flat, don't forget A flat. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, I'm gonna repeat measure measure 22 and 24. The rhythm is a little bit tricky here because 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. So let's repeat this one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, now I'm moving to measure 25. Left hand C, right hand C minor on top. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3, 4. 1. So that brings us to the end of the first page. So I'm gonna go back to measure 15 and I'm gonna finish on measure 28. So this time again without stopping. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. But I'm tapping my left foot to feel the beat. It might be a good idea for you too, just to feel the pulse of music. Okay, I'm moving to the second page. Measure 29, and then 30. So left hand bass F, and again, same thing. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Back to C. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. C, still C. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Now I'm stopping here and measure 36 because it's a different music. It's gonna start on 4. It's a little riff. Let me play it first, then I'll go slowly. So it's gonna start on 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's a very interesting combination. 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then 1, 2. Very cool jazz chord. So let me go slowly and then one more time in rhythm. So left hand F, then it's an E flat, then it's a short D and F sharp. It's not staccato, but I just okay D F sharp, and then the last one is gonna be G F 7. So one more time, F, E flat, D F sharp. Okay, right hand. E flat, G, A flat, C, which you already had. So, 4, 1, 2, 3. The next one is F, G flat, B flat, D flat. 4, 1, 2, 3. Next is C, F, B flat. And the last one is going to be interesting because you're going to have B flat on top and B natural on the bottom, and then E flat, F. Very cool, very cool. Okay, so we're gonna put them together and it's gonna sound amazing. 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Let me go one more time. Ready? So it's gonna, I'm gonna go back to measure. It's hard to see. I think it's 35. Yeah, measure 35. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we finishing up is 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now I'm scrolling down to measure 45. So here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm gonna speed up a little bit here. 1, 2, 3, 4. C, B flat. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. So let me do this one more time from 45. I'm not gonna stop until 56. So I'm actually gonna do metronome. 3, 4. That's bringing to the end of this page, and I'm gonna restart from measure 61. So 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 1 and 2, 3, 4. Okay, next measure. Next page, sorry, page number 5. So we're starting back again with C on the left, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. measure 2, 3, 4, measure 69, just like beginning. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Let me scroll down. 1, 2. Oh, I keep forgetting that A flat. Oh, please forgive me. So remember, if you have A, it's A flat. It sounds kind of cool too, but it's actually minor. So flat. 1, 2. So I'm talking about measure 77. 77. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, and 3, and 4. So remember that rhythm from previous part. Okay, now measure 79, 80, 81. Measure 81. Left hand C, right hand B flat, D, E flat, G. It's the same chords, but you know, different inversions. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Inversions, which is what I talk about. 2, 3, 4. So before measure 85, that's what I'm talking about, okay? So it's gonna start on the beat 3, and it's gonna go 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Left hand C, C, C octave, and right hand just flips. Oops. Okay. Moving on, measure 85. Measure 85, bass F, right hand again, E flat G, A flat C. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. Let me scroll down. Sorry. 3, 4. Going back to measure 80. So it's the same rhythm. Always. Make sure that your rests are, you can hear your rests. Don't overplay that 4 and chord into the next measure. So always make sure to remove your right hand. Okay, I'm continuing measure 89. 1, 2, 3, and 4. See, off. And then the chord and the 3 beats. 3, 4, 1 and 2, 3. So 1 and 2. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, and make sure it's off. Okay, moving on. I believe this is the last page. So last page, left hand F, right hand again, same chord. Now it's gonna go a little bit like we had before, like a little bridge. So I'm gonna go with my left hand again. So it's gonna go F, E flat, D, F sharp, and then G, F. It's exactly the same chords what we had previously. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, and then left hand is a little bit different because it's gonna go G, D, G, and it leads back up to C minor. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3, 4. 1. Okay, I'm picking up from measure. Measure 101. It's a bridge, and I'm gonna do it with metronome, and then we go back to Sagno. The Sagno is measure 13, and then we jump to coda. So measure 101 to 109. No, hold on. Measure 101. Measure 101 to 115. Okay. Oh, here we go. 101. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. have 2 measures of off. Okay, now I'm scrolling back to page 1. Okay, I'm scrolling back to page 1. You're coming back to page 1, but without introduction, you go straight to the chords, measure 15. No, 13, like I said before. So you go back. I'm gonna try with metronome, okay? I'm gonna restart. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 1, 2. Okay, hold on. I think I'm not doing it right. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, Okay, so now I'm strolling to second page. You're gonna continue because I need to stroll down. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. Sorry, it's a 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'm gonna go with metronome. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. It goes on 3. Okay, whew. I'm gonna try to redo this again. I'm too late on the beat 3. 2, 3, 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And that goes to coda. Now I'm scrolling down to coda. Here we go. And coda. Ooh, okay. I'm gonna take it slow. So coda, left hand starts on C, right hand C, E. 1, 2, 3, left G, B flat, B, C, and then it's again identical 2 by 2 measures. And so we have 1, 2, 3, 4. Now it's a measure 5, 6, 7. It's the same thing, only more notes. So then B flat. So you just double, so we go G, B, B flat, F in the middle, then B natural with F sharp in the middle, and then the last 3 notes are C with G. Okay, now I'm gonna do it with metronome. Coda. 1, 2, 3, 4. There we go. I think that will take the jazz piece.